Hello students, welcome to our simple present review, Unit 1 from your B1a textbook American English file. There are three uses for the simple present. The first one is repeated actions. So we use it for routinary things, daily situations, I would say, but also we use it for scheduled events, mainly in the near future. So here we have our first practice exercise for use 1, repeated actions. We have 10 different sentences, questions, some may even be negative. Give you the first two examples. I play football. Number 2, she doesn't play football. And the idea is that you complete the ones that are with gaps. Number 3, number 4, number 6, and number 9. Sometimes it may be the verb. You need to write the correct verb. If it is third person, then you have to third person affirmative. Then you also have to write the S. The auxiliary may be missing. Do, does, doesn't, don't, and that's it. So just take a minute to see how well you do, and then we go on to the next exercise. Here we have our second use, facts or generalizations. So we use it for things that we or the speaker believes is true, independent of it is or not, just believes. And we can also use it to make generalizations about people, things, situations in general. Let's see with the next slide some exercises to put this into practice. Here we have our second use, facts. So we use it for things that are facts, whether they're true or not. They have to do more with what the person believes. For example, number 1, my cat likes meat. We can say that most cats like meat, so that is a fact. Let's get a negative one, like number 2, birds do not chocolate. We say normally birds do not eat or drink or like chocolate. As in number 3, pigs don't like beer. So those are facts. Other general things like number 5, Cali is not in Ecuador. That's a fact. Or like 6 and 7. Windows are normally made of glass. However, windows are not made of wood, at least not normally. Here we have our third and last use for the simple present, schedule events in the near future. We mainly use it for public transportation and with the time. It usually gives an hour. For example, the airplane arrives at 10 p.m. tonight. Let's see with the next slide some examples of that use. Here we have our last and third use, schedule events in the near future. As it was mentioned in the previous slide, mostly with sentences which have a time, such as number 1, 6 p.m., number 2, 11 a.m., 11 p.m., or number 4, 8 o'clock. So the last use is for the simple present, schedule events in the near future.